Naiiyak na ako kanina. Pero nininervous po ako. Di pa po. Nawala. Miss Carmencita Uy, President of WCU, officers, admin, and staff, fellow graduates, distinguished guests, a pleasant evening to you all. Pasensya na po kayo, I'm not an eloquent speaker, but I will try my very best to deliver something fruitful and insightful. Okay, I never thought that I would pursue a caregiver course. Sa totoo lang, wala. Why? Because to my knowledge, I took up a medical course. Sabi ko, it would be easy task for me. Ano ba naman yung mag-alaga ka lang, meet their needs, tapos na. But it doesn't end there. A little adjustment, sige. Pero, ang dami kong pero. Ang dami kong nasa isip. I'm not at ease. Sabi ko, I need to study. Especially when I want to pursue a working career abroad. I thought na pag nag-study ako ng caregiving course, it would be essential for me pag nag-apply ako. Sa totoo lang po, I have lots of experiences when it comes to work in different fields. Hindi po ako sa nagmamayabang, pero yun po ako. I'm a jack of all trades. Yun nga yung sinasabi nila. Moving on, I decided to enroll caregiving elderly NC2 course. I called up TESDA so many times para lang i-make sure ko talaga na ano ba talaga yung accredited school? Baka mamay puntahan ko, hindi naman accredited. So amongst the schools that I inquired on, nag-stand out ang WCU. Not because it's near my house. Sa totoo lang po, it's near my house. But when I went to their office, I saw the ambience of a good school. Maganda siya in a sense na yung pagpasok mo lang, nakasmile agad yung mga staff, may warmth. Yun pong area kung saan nagte-train tayo. Mafe-feel mo talaga na, wow, caregiver agad ako. Gano'n. So, in the course of my study, I would say my trainer, Miss Regina Grace Warren, we call her Miss Reg. She brought out the best in me. Not only me, but the whole batch 4. The whole 9 of us. We were able to learn, we were able to laugh at the same time. Mahirap po yung course, sa totoo lang. But, dumali siya because of the patience and help of our trainer. Tumatak sa utak namin lahat ng natutunan namin. With the help of Miss Reg, napadali po yung buhay namin. Napamahal sa amin yung course, not only because yun yung parang pinakita niya sa amin na hindi, tama yan, okay yan. You know what, I would just like to impart this story, no? My mother passed away when last 2015 pa. She was 65 years old, so lola na. She died due to complications of diabetes. And not only that, she was amputated. Her left leg was amputated. She had 2 angioplasty, kung alam niyo po yung angioplasty. And the big thing is, she had kidney transplant. So, isipin niyo po, no, parang sa sasakyan, na-overhaul na yung nanay ko. So, I was with her throughout the sufferings. And I saw her pain. Nasabi ko, pag ako nag-caregiver, iisipin ko yung nanay ko. Because my mother inspired me a lot in everything that I do. Teka pa namatay yung cellphone, wait lang. Teka. So, nung nag-aral ako, inisip ko lang parati, I can overcome this course dahil sa nanay ko. Isipin ko na lang that every patient that I am dealing with, it's because nanay ko yun or tatay ko yun. That's how the caregiving course should inspire us all. Na hindi mo inaalagaan just because gusto mo lang siyang alagaan. If we opt not to put our hearts in our work, wala. Yung passion natin mawawala. Yung strength natin malulusaw. Because ang isipin lang natin is, tatrabaho lang naman ako eh, hindi ko naman yan kamag-anak. Malay ko ba dyan? So, there's this one quote from this famous author, Miss Helen Keller, kung kilala niyo po siya, no? A brief background of her: she was deaf and blind when she was 19 months old due to battling of illness. She was 7 years old when she started learning. It was Miss Anne Sullivan who was her teacher and a longtime companion. I was struck by this saying of hers. This is her vision of success in life. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Truly inspiring po, di ba? So I guess each and every one of us is entitled to be successful in life. We are bound to be successful, claim it. Just work hard and dream big. Thank you, WCU Skills Academy, for the help imparted to us in achieving this. I wish the company more success. And to the trainers, Ms. Regina Grace Warren and Ms. Ann Gay Manlapas, salamat po. Produce more competent students. Again, from Batch 4 of WCU Skills Academy, Inc., I'm Mary Grace I. de Guzman, and I'm proud to say I'm a competent caregiver.